Hi guys, this is Jules Hausayan. This is my first vlog actually regarding engineering here in Australia. So I wanted to create a vlog for you guys to help you to help you in your journey. Um, Basically, this vlog will be more on the journey I had when I was processing my visa. So by the way, I am a structural engineer from Philippines, and then 5 years ago moved here in Australia, and then I just wanted to share my experience and also how I did it, and maybe it will help you guys in your journey. So there are a few things I need to cover because from time to time I get a lot of queries from people. Like people are sending me messages in my phone, asking for how to do CDR or how to apply for visa. Can we go to Australia as engineer? So definitely yes, we can. And then what's the biggest hurdle? They would say CDR, coming up with the CDR, and I guess there's a lot of confusion on how to do this report. So that's why I wanted to make this vlog to basically share how I did it, so it would be easier for you guys. So I will cover a few things in the next coming weeks. But I think for now, let me just introduce myself, and then the next vlog I will cover some items like CDR preparation, etc. So yeah, as I mentioned, I am Jules Vincent Osayan. That's my full name, and I came here with using Visa 189 back I think in 2017. But I started processing my application. I think started 2015 off on because of work, and then came here in Australia with my family, and then yeah, applied all these processes like Ingenious Australia, IELTS, PTE, and so yeah. So currently I'm working as a project engineer for a utility company. That is my role for this year, but previously for 5 years I was connected with to a consulting company as a associate structural engineer. So yeah, let me know guys what topics you want me to cover, to discuss. I do have some list of topics, but let just comment in the chat if you have a specific topic you want me to cover, specifically for engineers migrating in Australia. But I do have a list here. So one thing I identify is the type of visa. There are the different type of visas to enter Australia. Some are using the grad visa, some are using directly 189, and so also there are some questions of do I need to do for a student visa, or can I DIY the visa or just hire an agent? So those are the typical questions of a new migrant. And also the as I mentioned, the competency demonstration report. It seems like it's a beast on its own, and people are a bit intimidated with this. But I'll show you how to basically smash this CDR preparation. Also, there's some questions of what is Engineers Australia? Do we need to be a member of Engineers Australia? What are the benefits? So I'll cover that in future videos. And obviously, one of the main questions of the recent migrant is how to land that first engineering job. Is it possible? Can I be like, can I work as a civil engineer, structural engineer, mechanical engineer in Australia, or use my previous experience in overseas, from Middle East or from Singapore, and then come to Australia and work as it is. So I'll cover that also, and I'll share my journey, how I did it. And probably I'll touch on being chartered. Currently, I'm a chartered structural engineer. So I'll share with you guys what are the steps, the practicalities, any tips. So I'll share those items as well. And if you want, I can also share some, what's a typical salary of an engineer in Australia, and during salary negotiation, or what should I request or ask in my application. And probably also I'll share my experience with the language test like IELTS and PTE. I'll create a video on that, and then also I'll share with you guys, where to work in Australia. I've worked several cities in Australia, in Melbourne, which is currently I'm in now. I also work in Sydney, and also I've worked in Tasmania. So basically, I can compare these cities. I do have some colleagues also in Brisbane and in Adelaide, and also in Perth. So I'll give you some information about that one, so you can decide, where to live in Australia. As well, a new migrant, maybe you're probably thinking about living expenses in Australia. So I'll touch on that as well. So basically, those are the things I will touch on this vlog. Hopefully, it will help you guys decide if you're still in the process of deciding to go to Australia or to apply for a visa. I can relate with, with your concerns, because when I also started, I have a lot of questions, but hopefully this vlog will answer those questions and will help you decide, and also will guide you along the process. So that's it for now, guys. So stay tuned, and then I'll release more videos regarding the specific topic of the life of being an engineer in Australia. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.